Kodak Pixpro AZ405 review and how to use tutorial, best budget bridge camera. In this video, I'm going to review the Kodak Pixpro AZ405, show you how to use its most important features, and help you decide whether this affordable bridge camera is actually worth buying. The AZ405 is built around a 20.68 megapixel effective 123-inch BSI CMOS sensor, but its biggest attraction is the massive 40 times optical zoom. That gives you a 24 to 960mm equivalent focal range, making it useful for everything from wide landscapes and family photos to wildlife and distant subjects. It also includes optical image stabilization to help reduce camera shake, especially when you're zoomed in. Getting started is simple. Insert 4 AA batteries and a compatible SD card, turn the camera on, and use auto mode if you're a beginner. Frame your subject on the 3-inch LCD screen, use the zoom control to move between wide and telephoto views, half-press the shutter button to focus, and then press it fully to capture your photo. Once you're comfortable with auto mode, the AZ405 gives you much more control. It includes program, shutter priority, aperture priority, and full manual modes, alongside dedicated scene modes for situations such as landscapes, sports, sunsets, fireworks, portraits, pets, and night photography. You can also adjust ISO from 100 up to 3200 and choose different autofocus and metering options. For close-up photography, switch to macro mode. At the wide-angle position, the camera can focus from approximately 1.6 centimeters away. For distant subjects, take advantage of that 40 times optical zoom, but try to keep the camera steady or use a tripod when shooting near maximum zoom. Video recording is another useful feature. The AZ405 records full HD 1920 by 1080 video at 30 frames per second. It can also shoot 720p at up to 60 frames per second, although you don't get modern features such as 4K recording. Here's a pro tip: prioritize the 40 times optical zoom instead of relying heavily on digital zoom. Optical zoom uses the camera's lens to bring your subject closer, while excessive digital zoom can reduce visible image quality. And when you're shooting at long focal lengths, good lighting and a steady grip become especially important. So, is the Kodak Pixpro AZ405 the best budget bridge camera? It's a compelling choice for beginners who want huge zoom reach, straightforward controls, manual shooting options, and full HD video without investing in an interchangeable lens system. Current 2026 bridge camera coverage also identifies the AZ405 as one of the super affordable options for buyers prioritizing zoom on a tight budget. However, its small sensor, lack of 4K video, and relatively basic feature set means serious photographers may eventually want something more advanced. Overall, the Kodak Pixpro AZ405 offers a lot of photographic flexibility for an entry-level bridge camera. If you found this review and tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which camera you want me to review next.